Though it may be a bit rushed, it's a very convenient tour to explore the African safari in Yufu Yufuin in one day for those of us without a car. Yang Meng was a great tour guide, my family and I had fun. Thank you. Finding this tour is like finding a hidden gem, absolutely fun day trip overall. Accessible meetup point at the Hakata station, where we met with our tour guide Ada, who was absolutely amazing given her upbeat energy, firm directness and can be able to cater to many languages. Although one of the attractions at the safari part is have a chance to buy tickets for the jungle bus to feed animals, when we arrived the time slots for being able to go onto the jungle bus didn't work out, wasn't a deal breaker but still bum couldn't experience it. Still was able to. I am a Korean user. I had a lot of concerns when purchasing because there were few Koreans in the reviews. That is why I thought I should definitely leave a post. I forgot the guide's name, but she guided me in English and Chinese. Although it is not Korean, there was no major inconvenience in using it. Fortunately, my English ability is not that good. But I understood it well. If you do not understand, you can ask separately and they will respond kindly. If you know the schedule to some extent, you will understand faster, and if you listen carefully to the time it takes to return to the car, there will not be much difficulty. All the schedules were enjoyable, and the scenery around us when using the highway was beautiful and exotic, so it was fun to see. I think it would be a great choice especially if you have children. I sat on the left side, the right side is a little better for seeing animals, and the guide let me sit. We are a family of 4 with 2 young kids and this tour was perfect as we didn't have to make the long drive to Beppu. Tour bus was a good medium size and our Shanghainese guide Jimmy was funny and energetic. The driver was also careful and drove with care especially on the way back when it snowed. Overall we felt very well taken care of and would highly recommend this tour if you want to visit the zoo without self-driving. Please also keep expectations for Jungle Bus. I am a Korean tourist. Smile. Thanks to the guide, Jimmy Ryu. I had a really great tour. My family was the only Korean on the tour, but he took care of us so we didn't feel uncomfortable and we could communicate in English so there was no problem. And the Jungle Bus was sold out so we went on a tour bus to see the safari, but there was no problem at all. And luckily there were seats in the. I'm a Korean tourist. Smile. Thanks to the guide, Jimmy Ryu. I had a really great tour. My family was the only Korean people on the tour, but he took care of us so we didn't feel uncomfortable during the tour, and we could communicate in English so there was no problem. And the Jungle Bus was sold out, so we went to see the safari on the tour bus, and there was no problem at all. Luckily, there were seats in the front, and the guide let my son and I watch the safari.